Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a bronzy glowy summer look using some new makeup products from SHEIN. Who knew SHEIN had makeup? I didn't either. Swear to God. But we're going to be using their makeup products. Their brand is called SHEGLAM. If you would like to see how I achieve this look and how their products work, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like always, I'm going to moisturize my lips first with my Milani Fruit Fetish Lip Balm. This is in the flavor Dragon Fruit Peach. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in Espresso for my brows. To conceal under my brows, I'm going in with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 170. I'm dragging on the excess concealer down to my eyelid. And then I'm going to prime my eyelid with my Ardell Photo Face Concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 10.5. And then I'm going to blend that in together with my Sigma FO3 High Cheek Bone Brush. This is actually a highlighter brush. And I have not opened this yet, so we're opening this together. So this is the palette we're going to be using today. It's really cute, holographic. And their makeup brand is called SHEGLAM. So it's SHEIN's makeup company, SHEGLAM. Look at it. This is a really cute palette. I'm going to be using the darkest shade in this palette for my outer eye area. Then I'm going in with this burnt orange looking color for my transition shade. So I'm going to try to deepen up this outer corner as much as we can. You definitely have to build up the pigment with these eyeshadows. We're just going to put a little bit of concealer so we can clean up the area where we're going to apply our lid shade. So now I'm going with my Sigma E55 eyeshading brush. I'm going into this orangey shade. Going back in with that brown shade. For my tear ducts, I'm going in with this champagne-y shimmer shade. That's really pretty. I really wish these colors had shade names. So I'm going to wipe off the fallout. Oops, I wasn't recording. So I'm going to be priming with my Pretty Fresh primer. For my foundation, I'm using my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. And this is in the shade 200N. Wow, this is why I like to do my face first now, because it's hard to clean around my eyes and keep it cute. To conceal, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade 170N. Now we're just going to blend out that concealer with my beauty blender. Ooh, I do not like doing my makeup like this anymore. I can't start over though. So I'm trying to save my blocky looking brows by adding the concealer lines through them to give it more of that fade effect. See? That's why I gotta do brows after foundation, because this is just not what's up anymore. And I never thought the day would come that I would say that. Just look at this, my brows look blocky, dark. We just gonna be smudging them, erasing them. Child to ghetto. Still not done, so I'm going in with another light concealer, well, a lighter concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Infinite Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in C12. And I'm only going to use this a little bit under my eye and the bridge of my nose. Ooh, my Cupid's bow. Blend that out. Wow, this might have been too much for my nose. I'm gonna cream contour with my Black Radiance foundation stick. Can't figure it out. I think it's highlighting. It's like after I highlight, my nose starts running like crazy. So now I'm gonna set under my eye. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using my Vesca Beauty Kiss by Tahiti bronzer. And then for my nose, I'm going in with another Vesca Beauty bronzer. This is Kiss by Bali. We're just going to do a light bronze tour. We're not going to do too much, you know? I'm going in with some more setting powder for my nose. For my bottom liner, I'm going in with my Even 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner, and this is in the shade SHEIN. This is in the shade Green Frappe, or Frappe. That's so fetch, period. And then I'm gonna try to smudge that out a little. So now I'm going in with this green shade. I really want to do the shimmer one, but I'm scared. I'm going to dust off the excess powder. I'm going to set my whole face with my Black Radiance powder. I feel as if for this look we need an orange blush, but every look needs an orange blush. So I'm going in with Tangerine by the Crayon case in the Watch Me blush palette. We are adding blush to the nose, honey. I'm gonna set my face with my Milani Fruit Fetish setting spray in the flavor Dragon Fruit Peach. This is their 3D Pro Face Palette in copper. She's actually really big. Look at me. And I got a big head, baby. Oh, she's cute. This is what she looks like. All of these shades are really cute. I really like this gold right here, these two right here. So for my highlighter, I'm going to be going with the shade that's in the bottom right hand corner. I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow and the tip of my nose. I guess right here too, but not too crazy because you know how I get. Eyeliner is the Diamond Silk Liquid Eyeliner, and look at it. It like has a diamond and it's real black and shiny. So we're gonna try to use this. Hopefully it works out. I like brushes for eyeliners better, but this is a felt tip liner. So let's see. And I'm not going to do a cat eye. So to line my lips, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Simmer Brown eyeliner pencil. For my lips, I'm using SHEGLAM's Matte Allure lipstick in the shade Chic, and y'all, look at this nude. I'm going back in with my lip liner just to make sure that the lines are super crisp and blended. I'm topping my lips with my Kiko Milano 3D Hydro Glass, and this is in shade number 2. So these lashes I got are the SHEGLAM 3 pairs of lashes. Magic Long Lasting 24 hours. I think these are called Never Flat. I think I want to double these. I just stuck these on top of each other, but I didn't stick them directly. I started the second pair a little further down so that the lash won't look as choppy. And I'm going to pull them off together as one. And then we're going to trim them so they can fit our lash. So now I'm going to, after I trimmed them, I'm going to go in with my lash glue. And I'm just going to apply my lashes. So now it's time for the hair. I pin curled my hair to make this process a little faster. We're just going to comb her out to get the desired look that we're trying to achieve. I'm so mad I got concealer in my bang, but it's nothing, okay? Yes, look at that body. Yes, we love a good pin curl. Thank you, Jules, so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. This look came out so cute. Listen, this lipstick is gonna be in rotation. I'm putting this in my rotation. Look how cute that is. That's like a beautiful nude. If you enjoyed, comment down below what was your favorite part. If you think you're going to be ordering from SHEGLAM, let me know what you guys are going to order. And if you've already ordered from SHEGLAM, let me know what I need to try out, because y'all been holding out. But you know, I'm not even going to hold you, okay? Bye, Jules.